My name is Ryan Fang and I'm a library assistant working at the Kamo Valley Library, and today I'll be teaching you how to make Katsudon, which is a Japanese rice bowl made with katsu, sauteed onions, and eggs served in a sweet and savory broth. So let's get started with the ingredients. For the katsu, you will need protein of your choice. Today I'll be using chicken, salt and pepper for seasoning, panko breadcrumbs, eggs, flour, and oil for deep frying. For the broth, you will be creating a mixture of soy sauce, mirin, sugar, chicken bouillon, white onion, and also green onion for garnish. So let's do some prep work. We're gonna just give the green onions a quick rinse, and then we will finally dice them. And then we will set these aside in a bowl. Now for our white onions, we want wedges, so go ahead and peel a white onion. Go down the middle. And then proceed to cut wedges. Okay, now we will place these in a bowl as well. And to make the crispy panko crust, we're going to have one beaten egg, some flour, and the breadcrumbs there. So go ahead and grab your chicken that we just seasoned. I'm going to coat generously in the flour, make sure everything is coated. We're going to go into the egg wash. Again, make sure everything's nice and coated. Then we're going to repeat it one more time. So back into the flour. And then back into the egg again. And then finally into the breadcrumbs. Just want to push down firmly, make sure it gets all coated, flip it around. And we'll set that aside. It's good for deep frying. Alright, so go ahead and heat up a pan of oil on medium heat. A little tip, just go ahead and chop a breadcrumb. Once you see it start to sizzle a little bit, then you can go ahead and throw in the chicken. And then we'll cook this for about 2 minutes on each side until golden brown. And the 2 minutes are just about up. So let's go ahead and flip it. And repeat for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes again, it's just about up. Go ahead and take it off of the oil and put it aside to not cool it down. So once it's cooled down, we're going to bring it back over here and cut it widthwise. Alright, now for the broth, we are going to dissolve about 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon into half a cup of water. Use 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we'll just mix that. And that is ready to be transferred over into our pan. Now we'll heat up some oil on medium heat in a pan, and we're going to go ahead and saute the onions. the onions are slightly translucent, I'll go ahead and pour in my broth I just made. And go ahead and let that simmer. And you can go ahead and add the katsu back on top. And then slowly pour 2 lightly beaten eggs over it. Garnish it with some green onions. And we're going to go ahead and cover that and let it sit for about a minute or just until the eggs are just cooked. So go ahead and grab your bowl of rice and we will just transfer this directly onto there. And now you have yourself a bowl of katsudon. Yeah, please enjoy.